Now, I'm going to do a rain dance in hopes of bringing rain to Texas, baby. All right? Bringing rain to Texas. I will conjure up the spirit, the unkindred spirit of Chief Slap-a-Hoe. Chief Slap-a-Hoe, we need your spirit to come in to our bodies right now, and I need for you to... Oh, yeah, he's guiding me. Oh, Chief Slap-a-Hoe, he's in the house now. Rain dance. Here, let me go ahead and get on the damn desk here. Piece of crap. Ow. Oh, it hurt. Oh, I shouldn't have done that. Shit. I'm all right. Shake it off. Let me walk it off. Yeah. Let me walk it off. Oh, man. I guess that's what I get for, mocking the, mocking the spirit of Chief Slap-a-Hoe. Oh, my God, that hurt. Hold on, I'm going to have a seat here real quick. Jesus Christ. Oh, my gosh, I'm sorry, folks. I was just, trying to be comical there, and all of a sudden got on the... Jesus Christ. I got on the damn desk, trying to, conjure up the spirit of Chief Slap-a-Hoe, and, I fell off the goddamn desk, you stupid desk, you piece of crap. Oh, Jesus Christ, that hurt. All right, well, we're going to continue on. We're going to continue the show. I'm sitting down. It feels better when I'm sitting down. So yes, it feels better. Anyway, the whole reason... Hold on, let me take some more drinks. Maybe it'll numb me up a little bit. Oh, man. Anyway. I really hurt myself, folks. I'm sorry. I'm off keister here. I know I should be getting on with the show here, but I really slipped and fell, and it hurts. Oh, my God, it hurts. Jesus Christ. Anyway, let me go ahead and move on to another subject matter. The whole reason why I got up like an idiot and started, dancing around on the desk like Chief Slap-a-Hoe was in hopes of trying to conjure up the spirit of Chief Slap-a-Hoe and bring some rain out here to Texas because, Jesus Christ. Because like I said, there's over 1.5 million acres scorched out here in Texas because of wildfires, folks, and that's why I was trying to conjure up the spirit of Chief Slap-a-Hoe. So anyway, I slipped and fell, and everybody's doing a ha-ha about it. That's great, huh? I'm so glad. Yeah, keep laughing.